आज हमारे स्टूडियो में मौजूद हैं मीकल यूवनसन जो बात करेंगे पाकिस्तान के पॉलिटिकल, इकोनॉमिकल और रिलीजियस मैटर के ऊपर. Hello, Mikal.
Hello.
So, what do you know about Pakistan?
Well, it's a little distance from here to Pakistan, from Sweden, but I try to follow as good as I know. So I know a little about the economic situation and political and religious situation.
What do you know about political situation in Pakistan?
Well, I tried to follow it before when Bhutto was the prime minister, and as far as I can see, she was trying to do a lot of progress and develop in the country, but she was assassinated. So, and then we have Sharif.
Okay, Nawaz Sharif.
Yes.
All right.
And he was also trying, but he wasn't. Well, he couldn't stay at the position in some way. So now we have Mr. Shah also.
Do you know about Mr. Khan?
Yeah, a little bit about him. Yes.
What do you know about Mr. Khan?
Well, I think he's also trying to do his best to develop the country, but I'm not so sure if he has the best leader around him. But as far as I can see.
What do you think about the best leader around him? Do you know? Do you think about his team?
Yes, the team. Yes, I think that he might. It's good that people really, if they are supporting the prime minister and try to develop the country, that they have some kind of extra good information, that they are some kind of education, that they have different things. And I'm not so sure about it, but.
So you're not sure about whether he has chosen the good team or not?
It's difficult to see from here, but maybe that's the way. Yes.
So you think the main reason of his failure is his team?
Maybe so. It's something. Maybe some kind of a structure about who's deciding what. I don't know about it, but maybe so.
Interesting. What do you think about the current economical situation of Pakistan?
I think it's a little difficult. First, I think as we hear from here, we can say that it's a fragile society, because if there's an earthquake or raining a lot, many people. Yeah, there's a catastrophe for many people, and but also in the daily, the daily thing for each person. Maybe they are struggling with the bills or food every day, and.
So do you know that people are struggling actually to pay their bills, when they are not even able to pay their bills?
As far as I can see, that might happen, yes.
What do you say about the current religious situation in Pakistan?
I think it's a little difficult, because there's a lot, it's a majority, almost everyone is Muslim, and then we have maybe 2% Christians and maybe some other religious group. And from the Christian point of view, it's difficult. Things are happening, but I know that in the Quran, for instance, it says that you have to take care of listen to other religion, and you have to respect them.
So you know that Quran says that you have to respect the other religion as well.
Yes.
Do you think are they applying on others or not? Are they respect or not? Who do not respect others?
I really think that almost everyone is doing that.
They have the respect for the other
religions. I think it's almost everyone, but maybe there's some leaders, maybe mullahs or something. They don't think the same way.
So what do you suggest for us, Pakistan or Pakistani people, what to do for the next? What is the solution?
It is difficult to say, but from a Swedish point of view, maybe education, because then you have another point of view. You meet different persons, you can learn about other countries, other way to look at things, and you're also you can see in different point of views.
Like what?
Like for instance, if you are in one group you think the same, you discuss the same way. You discuss the same way, and from the same point of view. That might be difficult because you need other kind of influences if you had to make decisions, if you're in leading position. As a religious leader, if you're educated from, for instance, a university, you have other kind of influences also, and I think that might be good.
Interesting. So you suggest that every religious person should be graduated or should be university scholar?
Yes, I think so. Yes, I think so. Yeah, I think that might be good because in Sweden, I think that almost everyone in a leading position is educated from university or high school or something like that. If you have a business company or a politician or a religious leader, you have a education, because then you have other point of views also. I think that is good.
How do you console our people today? Do you have a message for our people?
Well, that is difficult because there's a big difference and big distance from here to Pakistan. But I think that you have to have the right persons at the right position. For instance, if you have a person who tried to decide about schools, I think, of course, he had to be educated in that, of course, and it's the same for communications and everything else. But also, I think that I don't know so much about it, but many countries that could be more developed, they have a corrupt system in different things that people are coming in positions because they know someone, and I think that is not good for a society.
So you think the solution is to focus on education?
I think so, yes.
So Michael, think that we have to focus on education. Thank you, Michael, for joining us today.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you very much.